If you're considering an AI writing tool, there are key points you need to know before you pull the trigger, especially with so many options flooding the market. Today, we'll compare this AI writer to others and highlight what makes it stand out, as well as where it might fall short. First things first, what exactly does this AI writer offer? It's a generative AI designed to help businesses streamline content creation. Whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, or marketing copy, it can take over many of those repetitive writing tasks. But not all AI writers are created equal. Compared to competitors like Jasper or WriteSonic, this AI is focused on simplicity and efficiency, which can make it more appealing for users who aren't looking for a complex learning curve. Next thing to consider is its ease of use. One of the selling points of this tool is how user-friendly it is, especially for businesses that need quick results. You don't need to be an expert in AI to get the job done. This is a big plus, especially when compared to other tools that may require more technical understanding. If you're a business owner who wants to implement AI quickly without the headaches, this tool is a top contender. Now, let's talk pricing. Many AI writers charge based on the number of words or outputs generated, which can quickly become expensive, especially for companies with high content demands. This software, however, offers a more predictable pricing structure, which can be a game changer for companies with tight budgets. That's one area where this software may have an edge over more expensive options like Jarvis. The fourth thing to keep in mind is customization. Some of the more advanced tools allow for extensive customization to the AI's voice and tone, while this option is a bit more limited in that department. If you need highly customized content that reflects a very specific brand voice, this may not be the best tool for you, especially when compared to more flexible competitors. Fifth, we have support. When you're dealing with any software, responsive customer support can make or break the experience. While this AI offers decent support, it's not as robust as some others, like Copy.ai, which offers 24/7 live chat. If you're someone who values around-the-clock help, this might be a downside. Next thing to consider is its integrations. This AI writer integrates with several popular platforms, which is a big plus. However, some competitors offer more extensive integration with tools like CMS and email marketing platforms, which could be more convenient for larger businesses or those already invested in specific software ecosystems. The seventh point is content quality. While this AI writer does a solid job with basic content creation, it doesn't always hit the mark when it comes to more complex or nuanced writing. This could be a deal breaker for users in industries like law or medicine, where accuracy and detail are crucial. It's a step behind when compared to high-end AI writers like Grammarly or Copy.ai. Eighth, you'll want to look at scalability. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, you'll need to know if the tool can handle your evolving content needs. Fortunately, this AI does offer flexible plans, though it doesn't offer the same level of scalability as some larger platforms like Jasper, which are designed to scale with your business as it grows. Ninth, you need to think about data privacy. Most generative AI tools store and analyze data for further improvement of their models. This one follows the industry standard, but it's always a good idea to review their privacy policy closely to see how your data is being used compared to competitors. Next thing, let's talk about the learning curve. Some AI writing tools have steep learning curves with tons of settings and options. This one, by contrast, is simpler to learn and navigate, making it ideal for smaller teams or business owners who don't have time to master a complicated platform. The 11th thing is trial access. Many AI writing tools offer a free trial, but the quality and limitations of these trials can vary. This AI software offers a 7-day free trial with no contracts, which is a generous offer, but it's worth noting that some competitors offer even longer trials, so if you want more time to evaluate, you might want to consider other options. And finally, the value proposition. If you're running a business and need a writing assistant that focuses on simplicity and effectiveness, this tool delivers. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced features and flexibility, it might not be the right fit for you. In conclusion,